everyone, welcome to Mark My Tutor. I am Dr. Sasanka, your biology faculty. Today we are going to discuss KCET 2025 question paper biology. First question. When pollen grain of a flower of a plant pollinate with the stigma of flower of another plant. Remember, there are two plants in the question. Coming to options. First option is autogamy. What is autogamy? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma within the same flower. So the pollination happens within the same flower. So option number 1 is wrong. Dichogamy. Dichogamy is maturation of anther and stigma at different time. Not dichogamy. Next, geitonogamy. Geitonogamy is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma from one flower to other flower within the same plant. So, it is not geitonogamy. The option is xenogamy. Xenogamy is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma from one flower to other flower of different plants. Moving to second question. Fusion of male gametes with the central cell in the embryo sac of an angiosperm is called. So the option is triple fusion. Why not Singhani? Triple fusion is fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei which are present in central cell. That is triple fusion. Whereas Singhami is fusion of one male gamete with egg cell is called syngamete. So the correct option is triple fusion. Which of the option is true in the content of above diagram of a pollen grain? So this is pollen grain. So we need to find out what is A and what is B. First option, A is a vegetative cell. True, A is a vegetative cell which give rise to male gametes. No, vegetative cell doesn't give rise to male gametes. Second option, A is generative cell. No, A is not generative cell. A is vegetative cell and B is generative cell. Third option, A is vegetative cell. True, with abundant food reserve materials. True, B is generative cell which forms male gametes. So the correct option is 3. Match the hormone with its site of production. Option A is HCG and HPL. Remember what is HCG? Human chorionic gonadotropin. HPL is human placental lactogen which is secreted by placenta. Remember, HCG and HPL are exclusively produced in pregnant women. By matching the option, you can see it is only there in option number 4. Yes, we will try to match the rest options. Progesterone is produced by corpus luteum, androgens are produced by Leydig cells, and relaxin is produced by ovary. So the correct option is 4. Choose the correct sequence of sperm transport during ejaculation. Remember human reproduction chapter. The sperm travel from seminiferous tubules to ejaculatory tract and the correct sequence is option 4. The sperm transfer from seminiferous tubules, rete testis, vaca efferentia, epididymis, vasa efferens and ejaculatory duct. Select the mismatch pair. So what is the first option? First month of pregnancy, formation of heart. True. In the first month of pregnancy, formation of heart of fetus is next. Second month of pregnancy, movement of fetus. No, false. In the 5th month of pregnancy, we can see the movement of fetus. Third month of pregnancy, formation of most of the major organ systems. True. 6th month of pregnancy, eyelid separation and eyelashes are formed. True. So what is the mismatch pair? The second one is mismatch pair. So correct option is 1. Out of the following option, identify which is not a natural method of contraception. So the options are implants, lactation amenorrhea, periodic abstinence, and coitus interruptus. So implants are the not natural method of contraception. Implants are done externally, or these are the external source of contraceptive methods. In zygote intrafallopian tube transfer called SIFT, the embryo up to dash stage is transferred into fallopian tube. The correct option is 8 blastomeres. Read the following statements. Statement 1. MTP. What is MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. MTP is to get rid of wanted pregnancies due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of contraceptives used during coitus or rape. And MTPs are performed legally by qualified doctors by giving proper medical justification. So we need to choose the correct answer from the options given below. So MTPs is used to get rid of wanted pregnancies. False. It is used to get rid of unwanted pregnancies. So statement 1 is false and statement 2 is correct. What is the option? Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Option 3. How many types of gametes will be formed by parent with genotype capital A small a, capital B small b, capital C small c? So, how many types of genotypes are there? Here we can see 3 heterozygous gene pairs are seen, and we need to find out types of gametes. So remember, there is a rule, 2 power n rule. What is n here? N is number of heterozygous gene pairs. So substitute number of heterozygous gene pairs in the place of n, 2 power 3, that is 8. So the total number of types of gametes produced is 8. When a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expression, the phenotype is called pleiotropy. In pleiotropy, single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expression, and the classic example is phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia. So you might get confused with polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance is many genes express one single trait, whereas pleiotropy, single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expressions. A colorblind man marries a carrier woman. The percentage of their colorblind progeny in the next generation will be. So what is the condition here? A man is colorblind, marries a carrier woman. So we need to find out the number of colorblind progeny in the next generation. So we need to put the genotype. Genotype of male is he is a colorblind, whereas the genotype of female is she is a carrier. Let's put this in a Punnett square. Colorblind male, carrier woman. How many children were affected? One daughter with colorblind, one son with colorblind, and one daughter is carrier and one male is unaffected. So out of 4, 2 children were affected. So the percentage is 50%. Identify which one of the following pair of options is correct with respect to Down syndrome and Turner syndrome. First option is short stature and gynecomastia in male. No. In Turner syndrome, we cannot see gynecomastia in male. Second option, round heart, partially open mouth, overall masculine development. No, he cannot see overall masculine development. Option C, broad form, physical and mental development retardation, and in Turner syndrome, sterile female with rudimentary ovaries. Yes, true. And fourth option, additional copy of X chromosome, absence of X chromosome, false. What is the option now? Option 2 is correct. RNA polymerase 2 is responsible for transcription of. So there are 3 polymerases, RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3. 2 is responsible for transcription of hnRNA. It will transcribe hnRNA to mature messenger RNA. Which of the following enzyme increases the permeability of the bacterial cell to lactose? Remember, lactoperon. Permease is the enzyme which is responsible to transport lactose into the bacterial cell. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to prokaryotic genome? Let's see the options. Monocystronic structural gene is seen in prokaryotes? No. In prokaryotes, the structural gene is polycystronic. Second option, introns are absent in structural gene? True. Transcription and translation are coupled in the process? True. Primary transcript undergoes splicing? False. In eukaryotes, splicing is happened. Whereas in prokaryotes, no such process is done. Only one RNA polymerase is present. So, B, C and E are correct option. That is, first option is correct. When a change in gene frequency of a population occurs by chance is called genetic drift. Darwin finches represent one of the best example of adaptive gradation. Choose the correct statement from the following. Option A is Charles Darwin traveled around the world in a ship called HMS Beagle's True. There has been gradual evolution of life forms. True. Option C, according to Darwin, fitness refers to physical fitness only. No. According to Darwin, fitness is survival. Option D, fossils are remains of hard part of life forms found in rock. True. Hubert Dever is a natural scientist worked in Marquette Archipelago. False. So what are the correct option? Option A, D and D. So option 2 is correct. In which of the following HIV replicates and produces its progeny virus, that is helper T cells or helper T lymphocytes? Which of the following are the techniques used for detection of cancer of internal organs? Option A is radiography and MRI. Yes, MRI and radiography are used to detect cancer of internal organs. Next, MRI, computed tomography. Yes, both are used to detect cancer. Widal test is not used to detect cancer. It is used to diagnose typhoid. So option C and D are wrong. So what is option? A and D are correct. Option number 4. Malignant malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. It is the most lethal form which will cause malignant malaria. The drug prescribed to the patient who have undergone organ transplant is dash and is produced by dash. Patient who have undergone organ transplant need immunosuppressants. Why they need immunosuppressants? Due to graft rejection. There is a chance of graft rejection, graft or organ rejection. So the patient who have undergone organ transplant, there is a high chances of graft or organ rejection. Hence, they need to take immunosuppressant. So, what are the immunosuppressants here? Not statin. Statin is cholesterol lowering agent. Cyclosporin A is an immunosuppressant which is produced by Trichoderma polysporum. So, option 2 is correct. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods for controlling plant diseases and pests. True. Trichoderma species are effective biocontrol agent for several plant pathogens. True. Both statements are correct. So option 3 is correct. Match the column 1 with column 2. Choose the correct option. So first one is Streptococcus. What is Streptococcus? Clot buster. So remember, Streptococcus itself is not a clot buster. Streptokinase is a clot buster which is produced from Streptococcus. Yes, penicillium is a source of antibiotic. Methanogens are used in biogas production and Enamina is free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. So what is the option? Option number 4 is correct. Match the following bioreactors. What are bioreactors? Bioreactors are the vessels which convert raw material into specific product. So option number 2. Downstreaming process. Downstreaming process involved in separation and purification of products. Recombinant protein. Recombinant protein matches with insulin produced by rDNA technology. What is rDNA? Recombinant DNA technology. PCR. What is PCR? Polymerase chain reaction. Detect mutated genes in suspected cancer proteins. What is the option? Option 4 is correct. The part of plasmid that codes for protein involved in replication of PBR322 plasmid. So we have an image of PBR322 in our NCERT textbook. So can you guess what might be the answer? So here it is clearly mentioned ROP codes for protein involved in replication of plasmid. So option is 2, ROP. To isolate DNA from fungal cell, bacterial cell and plant cell, the enzymes required are respectively. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. So, chitinase is involved to isolate DNA from fungal cell. Later, bacteria. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and require lysozymes to extract the DNA from bacterial cell. Later, plant cell. As we know, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. So, cellulase is required. So, option 2 is correct here. In mature insulin, which of the peptide is not present? Let's look at the option. Option 1 is false. Mature insulin have A and B peptides. It doesn't have C peptide. Yes, option 2 is correct here. A scientist want to produce virus-free plant in tissue culture. Yes, which part of the plant he will use as an explant? So look at the options. Mature stem, axillary meristem, apical meristem and mesophyll cell. So here he can use both B and C, that is axillary and apical meristems, because Both axillary and apical meristems have newly formed cells. And both mature stem and mesophyll cells, mature cells. So, it is difficult to invade newly formed cells compared to mature cells. So, option will be B and C. Option number 1. Some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis, that is Bt toxin, produce protein that kill insects. Yes, which one of the following is not killed by protein of Bacillus thuringiensis? So in question they have mentioned clearly that it will kill insects. So armyworm, cotton bollworm and tobacco budworm, these three are insects. So it doesn't kill tapeworm. Why? Tapeworm is helminth, not an insect. So Bacillus thuringiensis cannot kill tapeworm. So the option 4 is cut here. Which one of the following population attributes contributes to increase in population density? Let's look at the options. Mortality. What is mortality? Death rate. Death doesn't increase population density. Option 1 is wrong. Natality and emigration. Emigration is removal of population. So, or decrease in the size of population. So, it doesn't increase population density. Mortality, again no. Natality is birth rate. Birth rate and immigration will increase the population density. So, option 4 is correct here. If 8 individuals in a laboratory population of 80 fruit flies died during a specific time interval, the death rate in population during that period is. So, here we need to calculate death rate. So, we have a formula for death rate. Number of deaths divided by total number of population. So, how many were there? 8 out of 80. So, 0.1. So, option is 2. 0.1 individual for time interval. Choose the correct sequence of steps involving decomposition. Very easy. The sequence is fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, cumification, and mineralization. With respect to limitation of ecological pyramids, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, it doesn't take into account the same species belong to 2 or more trophic levels. True. B, it assumes a simple food chain, something that almost never existed in nature. True. It accommodates for saprophytes. False. It doesn't include saprophytes. It doesn't accommodate a food web. True. So A, B and D are true. Option 3 is correct. The sixth extinction of species present in progress is dash times faster than previous 5 episodes of mass extinction. So, what is the time here? 100 to 1000 times faster than previous 5 episodes. The species diversity as we move away from dash towards dash. So, we need to guess here. So, the species diversity is more towards equator. As we move away from equator, the species diversity decreases. So now can we guess? Species diversity decreases as we move away from equator towards poles. So option 1 is correct here. 38th question. In practical examination, the following pedigree chart was given as spotter students. Identify the given pedigree chart as. So look at the pedigree chart here. Both male and female were affected. So it is not sex-linked disorder. Cancel 2 and 3. Is it autosomal recessive or autosomal dominant? Here, the disease has skipped one generation. Yes, so it is not dominant. So the option is autosomal recessive disorder. A student observed the transverse section of plant organ slide under microscope. Yes, he observed the vascular bundles in the stellar region as conjoined, collateral, and open. Based on this feature of vascular bundles, identify the stem or root. So, as they have mentioned, the vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral, and open. In monocot stem, the vascular bundle is closed. So, it's not monocot stem. Whereas in both dicot and monocot root, the vascular bundles are radial arrangement. So, it is not monocot root and dicot root. The correct option is dicot stem. A student observed the slide of mitosis under the microscope and observed that chromosomes were placed at opposite poles. Which stage was the student observing? Is it anaphase, metaphase, telophase, or prophase? Yes, in the stage of anaphase, the chromosomes were placed at opposite poles. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to rule of binomial nomenclature. Option number 1. Biological names are generally in Latin or Latinized, irrespective of their origin. True. Biological names are underlined separately when handwritten. True. Biological names are printed in italics to indicate their non-Latinized origin. False. They are printed in italics to indicate their Latinized origin. So, option 3 is incorrect statement. Match the column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option given below. So, what are the options? We need to match bacteria with the shapes. Coccus is a spherical shaped bacteria. Bacillus is rod shaped bacteria. Vibrio is comma shaped bacteria and Spirillum is spiral shaped bacteria. So, what is the option here? Option number 1 is correct. Read the given statements and choose the correct options. Statement 1. Chemae are green unicellular sexual buds which develop in receptacles called chema cups. First, chemae cups are not unicellular. They are multicellular. So, statement 1 is false. Statement number 2. Protonema develops directly from spores. True. So, what is the option here? Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. So, option number 2. During a field trip, a student observed a marine organism with worm-like body and cylindrical body was divisible into proboscis, collar, and lobster. So, can you guess what is the organism here? It is Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus body was divided into proboscis, collar, and long trunk. So, option number 4 is true here. Identify the type of aestivation in corolla labeled as A, B, and C, D. What is the options here? So, A is vexillary aestivation. So, it might be option 2, 3, and 4. Next, option B is, the diagram is imbricate. So, the option can be 2 and 3. Later, option C is twisted. So, obviously, option 2 is true here. A is vexillary B is imbricate, C is twisted, and D is valvate estivation. Match the column 1 with column 2. So what is column 1? Characteristics of vascular bundles, and column 2 is transverse section. Option A, radial, tetrarch, cambium ring between xylem and phloem at later stages. So can you guess what is a transverse section? So in transverse section of dicot root, the cambium ring will appears later stages. So option A matches with option 2 here. Yes, A is 2. So option will be in between 1 and 2 here. Later, conjoined, open and endark. So open kind of vascular bundles can be seen in dicot stem. V is option number 4. So obviously it's option number 2. You can guess here. And C, radial, polyarch, large pith without cambium ring is option number 3. That is monocot fruit. Conjoined, closed and sclerenchymatous bundle sheets can be seen in transverse section of monocot stem. So option number 2 is true here. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to from? Option A, Widder's canal are present in male frog. Yes, true, it is present in male frog. Copulatory pads are present in female frogs. Wrong. Copulatory pads are seen in male frogs only. Next, sound producing vocal sacs are present in male frogs. True. Later, cloaca is present in male frogs only. False. They can be seen in both female and male frogs. So option A and C is correct here. So option 2 is correct. The reserve materials in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of. So options are inclusion bodies, exclusion and inclusion bodies, fat bodies and exclusion bodies. So option is inclusion bodies. Why not exclusion bodies? Exclusion bodies store waste materials. And fat bodies cannot be seen in prokaryotes. The cell wall less prokaryote among the following. So what the question is telling here, the prokaryote or the organism doesn't have cell wall. So which of the following doesn't have cell wall? Option is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma lacks cell wall and it is the smallest living cell known. Remember, smallest living cell. The graph showing the concept of activation energy of an enzyme is given below. So this is the picture here. We need to find out what is M and N. You can see the activation energy is more at M and less at N. So what is the property of enzyme here? Enzymes lowers the activation energy. Option is M activation energy without enzyme and N is the activation energy with enzyme. Option 4 is correct here. Match the stage of prophase 1 given in the column 1 with their features in column number 2 and choose the correct option. What are the options here? Leptotin, zygotin, architin, diplotin and diakinesis. So what is the feature of leptotin? What can we see in leptotin? Chromosomes visible under light microscope. By matching leptotin, you can guess the answer here. Option number 2 is correct here. Let's match other options. Zygotin, chromosomes start pairing together. Architin, exchange of genetic material happens. Diplotin is dissolution of synaptolol complex. And thiakinesis is terminalization of chiasma. So option number 3 is correct. Read the given statement and choose the correct options. Statement 1 is in Calvin cycle. What is Calvin cycle? C3 cycle. Carboxylation is catalyzed by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. So the statement is false. In Calvin cycle, carboxylation is catalyzed by ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase. So statement 1 is false. Statement number 2. In Hatch and Slack pathway, what is Hatch and Slack pathway? C4 pathway. Carboxylation is catalyzed by ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase. False. In C4 pathway, carboxylation is catalyzed by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. So, statement 1 and 2 are false here. Option number 3. The TCA cycle. What is TCA cycle? Citric acid cycle or tricarboxylic acetic acid cycle with the condensation of acetyl group with what might be the option? Acetyl group condenses with oxaloacetic acid to form citric acid. The first stable product of citric acid cycle. So, condensation happens with acetyl group with oxaloacetic acid, option number 4. Match the plant growth hormone that is in column number 1 with suitable chemical derivative present in column number 2 and choose the correct option. Option A is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is carotenoid derivative. And gibberellins are terpenes. Option number A matches with 3. Look at the options. So, there might be a chance in option number 1, 2 and 3. Gibberellins matches with terpene. So, obviously option number 2. Let's match the rest. Kinetin. Kinetin is adenine derivative and auxin is indole acetic acid derivative. The respiratory mechanism controlled by medulla oblongata can be altered by. So, there are 4 options. Of course, it is controlled by chemosensitive area in the medulla. True. Both pneumotaxic and chemosensitive area in the pons and medulla oblongata. Both are true. And corpus callosum of brain, pneumotaxic center in the pons. So, both options are true. The respiratory mechanism controlled by medulla oblongata can be altered by both pneumotaxic center and chemosensitive area present in pons and medulla respectively. So, option 2 is true. Which among the 3 layers of blood vessel walls, tunica intima, tunica media and tunica externa, is comparatively thin in the vein? So, we need to compare arterial wall and veins. So, in arterial wall, the tunica media is larger when compared to the wall in vein. So, only tunica media is small in veins compared to arteries. In nephron, transport of substance like sodium chloride and urea is facilitated by special arrangement called counter current mechanism that comprises of. So, which of the following is involved in counter current mechanism? Henle's loop and vasa recta. Remember Henle's loop and vasa recta? The U-shaped structure present in nephron is called vasa recta and Henle's loop. Both are involved in counter current mechanism in nephron. So, option number 4 is correct. In mechanism of muscle contraction or shortening of muscle, the dash get reduced whereas the dash retains the length. So, remember, I band is also called light band. Remember, light band is actin. A band is dark band, which is also called myosin. And Z line bisects eye bags. During contraction, I band reduces its length whereas A band retains the length. Option number 1 is correct. Identify the correct sequence of action potential as it arrives at the axon terminal from the choice given below. Read the options. Option number 1, axon terminal, synaptic left, wrong. Axon terminal, postsynaptic membrane, false. From axon terminal, it reaches postsynaptic neuron, true. Later, it reaches synaptic vesicle and synaptic cleft, postsynaptic membrane and postsynaptic neuron. Option number 4 is correct. Identify the statements given below that does not correspond to the function of cortisol. Let's see. Cortisol maintains cardiovascular system and kidney functions. Yes, cortisol maintains both cardiovascular system and kidney. Produces anti-inflammatory reaction. True. Maintains electrolyte balance and osmosis and blood pressure. False. Cortisol is not involved in maintaining electrolyte balance, osmosis and blood pressure. Cortisol suppresses immune response. True. Cortisol involved in stimulation of RBC production. True. So what is the false here? Option number 3. So option number 2 is correct here. Thank you.